Hi there, I'm Marya Rudman, Architectural Manager for British Columbia, bringing you today's Tips and Tricks Home Edition. Although I'm not at home today, I got special permission. It's 4 p.m. on a Friday, and I was allowed to come to this job site when nobody else is around to show you a commercial steam room design where they've implemented beautiful radius curves on the outside corners of the bench seating. They used KERDI-BOARD-V in order to create these beautiful tight radiuses. Now KERDI-BOARD-V has these vertical grooves in it, and just like KERDI-board, it is a building panel for tiled application. Of course, this is a commercial steam room, so we also had to implement the use of KERDI-DS everywhere, on top of the V board and any KERDI that was on the wall. We also have drainage here too. But I did take a couple pictures and hope you enjoyed seeing this beautiful steam room. If you're interested in learning how you can create not only a successful application, but how to do these little tricks like rounded edges, contact your local Schluter representative. You can find us, we're everywhere. And try www.schluter.com. Have a great day.